seems like a dream or like a wonderful film that you will visit us in the Tanzwerkstatt.
I'm really excited to see the dancing. I'm really excited to meet all of you. Suddenly, the sky went dark and black, and there were deep rolls of thunder. Lightning. And then the males began to dance. The males began to very, very rhythmically sway from foot to foot like this, and then they would pick up a big rock and throw it and sway from foot to foot, and they're stamping in the water. Very rhythmically, they're
Also wie sie da hin und her geschwungen haben, haben sie diese Geräusche gemacht.
You're the change I want to make. Bow me down in a manger bed. A prince of purpose awaits me there. You're the change I want to make.
And we have roots and shoots in kindergarten, in all the different classes, roots and shoots in university. And guess what? They are making the world a better place every single day. And I am so excited by the imagination of you young people and what you decide to do. And then you roll up your sleeves and you get out and you do it.
You're the change I want to make. Bow me down in a manger bed. A prince of purpose awaits me there. You're the change I want to make.
Am I right? How many of you want to help make the world a better place? And so the last thing I want to say is, right from the beginning, because we began in Africa, dancing and little plays have been very, very important.
Bow me down in a manger bed. A prince of purpose awaits me there. You're the change I want.
Anyway, the point is that chimpanzees are more like us than any other living creature.